How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the Anycubic slicer for 3D printing. So after opening up the Anycubic slicer, it will then prompt you to this home screen. In here, you have the ability to print out or use other projects. But if you want to get started, just click on the new project option. Once inside, it will then take you to this page. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your printer is connected. Now, just click on the workbench option at the top of your screen and you will be able to simply connect it to your printer. From there, to design your object, you just want to make sure to click on the plate right here. And then you have the ability to add some primitive, add some handy model, and more. So the basic one is going to be adding a primitive shape. So in here, you can add basic shapes like cube, cylinder, sphere, cone, and more. Now, there will be the top functions on the toolbar right here. So if you want to simply scale up your shape, you want to press S on your keyboard. This is simply the scale function. And then basically you can use this different adjuster. Now you can disable the uniform scale in order to adjust it onto your own right here. Now you have the ability to simply move the object, rotate it, and basically more. So after designing your object, you then want to click on the slice plate option, so it will then slice or design right here. From there, to go ahead and print your object, there will be the print option above your screen after being connected to your printer, and from there, you are good to go. Of course, there are another options on the side of your screen, like the strength of the object, the quality, speed, support, and more. So you can just configure this out. Of course, there's a lot to talk about when it comes to the properties right here, but that's the basic way on how you can use the Anycubic slicer next for 3D printing. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.